Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I am going to be making a Caribbean coconut cake. I have buttered a tart dish and I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my shop-bought shortcrust pastry and line my tart dish with it and cut away any excess on the top. As you can see, I have two gaps. I'm going to take my leftover pastry and use it to fill the gaps. I am now going to take my baking paper and cover my tart case and then pour baking beans over the top so it doesn't rise. I'm now going to bake in the centre of the oven for 15 minutes. In my bowl, I'm going to mix together grounded almonds, sugar and butter until it goes nice and creamy. I'm now going to add 2 whole eggs and just an egg white of 1 egg and blitz it together. Finally, I'm going to mix in my coconut. I've measured half of my coconut mixture into 2 separate bowls. The first bowl I'm going to lay in the bottom of my tart case. I'm going to use a cold spoon that's been dipped in cold water to flatten it down. Now add a layer of raspberry jam and then the second bowl of coconut on top. And finally, sprinkle some icing sugar over the top. Now I'm going to put it back in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.